and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aurora and today I'd like to continue talking about some other irregular present tense verbs. Indeed, in one of the last lessons I explained to you some of the most common irregular verbs and how to conjugate them. So click the link up here to know more about it. So today we're going to learn the verbs ending in ERE and in IRE. So let's get started. We're going to start with sapere, to know. And first of all, I'm going to tell you in Italian and then I am going to translate them. So, io so, tu sai, lui, lei sa, noi sappiamo, voi sapete, loro sanno. So now I'm going to translate it. Io so, I know. Tu sai, you know. Lui, lei sa, he, she knows. Noi sappiamo, we know. Voi sapete, you all know. Loro sanno, they know. Now we're going to do another one, which is avere, to have. Io ho, tu hai, lui, lei ha, noi abbiamo, voi avete, loro hanno. I have, io ho, tu hai, you have, lui, lei ha, he, she has, noi abbiamo, we have, voi avete, you all have, loro hanno, they have. Now we're going to do the last one ending in ERE and then we're going to move on to the ones which end in IRE. So we're going to start with essere, to be. Io sono, tu sei, lui, lei è, noi siamo, voi siete, loro sono. Io sono, I am. Tu sei, you are. Lui, lei è, he, she is. Noi siamo, we are. Voi siete, you all are. And loro sono. Now we're going to move on to the ones with IRE. So we're going to start with venire, to come. Io vengo, tu vieni, lui, lei viene, noi veniamo, voi venite, loro vengono. Now I'm going to translate it. So, io vengo, I come. Tu vieni, you come. Lui, lei viene. He, she comes. Noi veniamo, we come. Voi venite, you all come. And loro vengono, they come. Now we're going to move on to dire, to say. Io dico, tu dici, lui, lei dice, noi diciamo, voi dite, loro dicono. Io dico, I say, tu dici, you say, lui, lei dice, he, she says, noi diciamo, we say, voi dite, you all say, and loro dicono, they say. Now we're going to move on to uscire, to go out. Io esco, tu esci, lui, lei esce, noi usciamo, Voi uscite and loro escono. Io esco, I go out. Tu esci, you go out. Lui, lei esce, he, she goes out. Noi usciamo, we go out. Voi uscite, you all go out. And loro escono, they go out. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. For now it is enough, and I'll see you soon. Put a thumbs up, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!